Fernald with Goodhue Boat Company. We appreciate you taking some time with us today as we go through this 130 Super Sport here. Fully redesigned for 2019, the new 130 Super Sport features an extended swim platform with boarding ladder on the port side, storage hatch in the console, as well as new color options here, such as the blue you see on the hull. This boat also has several options, including the sport bucket seating, the bow filler cushion, and a cooler with a cushion for an extra seat as well. The 130 Super Sport has two motor options, the 40 horse that you see equipped here, as well as the 25 horsepower outboard. The advantage of the 25 being that in the state of New Hampshire, there's no license requirement, making it great for kids and grandkids. I want to thank you guys for joining us today. If you do have any questions or would like to schedule a time to see the boats, please call us at the office at 603-569-2371 or message us on Facebook.